Hello everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headlines first. Corona cases increased in India after 2 months of decline. Infection rate increased in these states. Terrible snowstorm of the century in America, 60 killed havoc in Japan and Austria too. The priest of Mussoorie's church went to the Purola to convert religion. Many secrets were revealed. Warner's century in the 100th test achieved a special achievement. Till now, no India has been able to do this work. Now news in detail. There has been an increase in the cases of coronavirus worldwide, especially in South American countries and China. The number of infected people is increasing continuously. Till now, the case of corona have remained stable in India, but if we look at the trend of the past month, it is revealed that some increase has been registered in the case of corona in India too. An analysis of the latest corona cases reveals that while the new cases of coronavirus infection in India were continuously decreasing week by week in the last 9 weeks, between December 19 and 25, the number of corona cases in the country saw an increase of 11%. The stampede-like situation took place in the Odisha's Puri Jagannath temple on Monday evening. 6 girl students were injured in the incident. Officials said that all the injured have been admitted to the hospital. Their condition is stable. Around 70 students of the Hirananda High School of Ras Govindpur in the Mayurbhanj district has come to the Puri on Monday for a picnic during the Christmas holiday, a police official said. The students stayed on the beach throughout the day and in the evening they went to visit the temple. While climbing the 22 steps of the temple at around 8 o'clock on the night, suddenly a stampede-like the situation arose in which the girl fell unconscious. A shocking news has come out from the Raigad in Odisha. 2 Russian tourists who came here to visit India died within a week. It has been told that the Russia's highest-paid politician Pavel Antonov died on Saturday after falling from the window of his room in a hotel in Odisha. 2 days before this, on Thursday, Steve, one of his friends, had died of a heart attack during a party in India. The surprising thing in the Pavel Antonov has been associated with the pro-party of the Russian President Vladimir Putin. However, after the start of the war with Ukraine, he had criticized Putin on several occasions. Now some international news. Due to the icy winds and the storms in many places in the world, life has become chaotic. While 60 people have died so far in the US due to the snow cyclonic storm bomb, 17 people have died and 93 people have been injured due to heavy snowfall in a large part of Japan. There is a power failure in the hundreds of houses here. On the other hand, 10 are the missing due to the avalanche in Austria of Europe. About 200 million people of the country has badly affected by the snowstorm during Christmas on America. 49 people have died while 4 have lost their life in Canada as well. At least 10 people were killed when a bus hit at a landmine in the African country of the Burkina Faso. Government officials said in a statement that a passenger bus exploded after hitting a landmine in eastern Burkina Faso on the Christmas day, in which at least 10 people died and 5 others were injured. The bus was on its way at the town of the Fada in Gorma, about 220 kilometers from the capital Ouagadougou, to the border town of the Kanchari near neighboring Niger. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. The pastor of a church in Mussoorie had gone to the Purola village in Uttarakhand, which is theme of the convert religion. People have named the pastor, his wife and 4 others after the preliminary investigation. The police headquarters has given an instruction to investigate the matter on the priority basis. Recently, some people were caught by the local people in the Chivala village of Purola while converting them. There was an argument and the fight with the people who had come to convert. People have registered cases from both the sides. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami said that the Vedas contain the secret of the whole universe. To know this secret, it is very important to know astrology. The Chief Minister was speaking at the closing ceremony of the 5th Amar Ujala Graphic Era Jyotish Mahakumbh on Monday. Chief Minister Dhami assured to consider the demand of the Acharya Indu Prakash to set upon an international university in Uttarakhand. He said that the government has also constituted the Uttarakhand Astrology Council so that our future generations can also take advantages of the science. Now, entertainment news. Superstar Yash film KGF Chapter 2, which has been one of the mega blockbuster film of this year, got a lot of love from all the people. This film echoed the success of the Kannada industry not only in the country but also abroad. From the story of this film, the strong performance of its every character, it was praised all over the world. The phenomenal success of KGF Chapter 2 has raised the structure of Kannada film along with the South Indian industry in the cinema world. This is belief of the whole of India. Now, sports news. Kangaroo batsman David Warner had made a special achievement in the Boxing Day test between the Australia and South Africa. He has scored a century in his 100th test. He is the 10th batsman to do so. At the same time, there are other Australian players who have done this. Ricky Ponting did this work before Warner. Due to the Warner century, Australia's team has reached a strong position in the second match of the series, and this is good news for India. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.